Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made a strawberry peach smoothie. Real tasty and very healthy too. So, let's get started. Alright, get your blender. Put in 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. 1/4 cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 cup of frozen strawberries. And 1 sliced peach. We'll put the lid on, blend out high for about 60 seconds. There you go. Yum. I hope you guys try my recipe for a strawberry peach smoothie, as you can see. Oh, the coverage is beautiful and it's very healthy as well, so give it a try. That is so refreshing. Oh, perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.